small shower in the middle of the hallway. Same house as the other shower in Princeton, New Jersey. Here we're going to keep the tub, so we protected the tub. We just protected with the cardboards. We're not going to. The client asked us not to change the tub, but all the walls that they used to have here, like old school tiles, very old, I think from this early 80s. And then we removed all the tiles, removed the board behind it, and we love the Schluter system, as you see. This Schluter system is excellent. It works really well to prevent water to go to the other side. So we replaced all this system, and we're going to install tiles. We installed also the niche here. It's very, very popular to install niche. Tiles installation, we have new boards on the ceiling, new boards on the wall, all this section, because we totally demolished this part, installed brand new walls. And we're going to tape it, we're going to install new shower head, new faucet. Everything will be brand new here. And we're going to install new toilet, new vanity, and new tiles on the floor. And this bathroom we're just going to fix and paint. They used to have some special finish here on the wall. It used to be very popular in the 80s, but now we're just going to eliminate it and paint it. This room in the house, we use it as a storage room, like temporary storage room. We put the tub, but we already painted one coat on the wall. Beautiful color. They chose lavender. It's really good color for boys, girls. Just beautiful color that they chose here. And then we're going to finish the trim. We've got one coat on the trims. The ceiling, the client, they ask us not to paint the ceiling, but so yeah, we respect his decision, but everything looks good. Yeah, this is going to be ready. This house will be ready probably in 4 days. Looks great. In this room, this is the living room and the kitchen. We fixed the ceiling. As you see, the ceiling excellent condition, all the way to the kitchen, all the way to the main door. Also the same thing we did with the walls. So everything was fixed here. You see, it's very smooth. We fixed the walls. We sand them, we prime them. You can even see the reflection from the light from the window. This is like in excellent condition. So the ceiling was painted, the wall were painted, and the trim, we painted it probably like just before Thanksgiving. We completed this section. This is the final stages, the painting. We still have to do some 2-bathroom renovation in the second floor, but this is the final stages of the painting. Probably we have another like 3 days to complete this house project. So this room we already painted. The ceiling was painted before, but the walls, it used to be kind of like a dark green color, and it used to be lots of damages. We fixed them, primed them, painted them. All the walls, as you see, the cut along the ceiling is beautiful. Also, we painted the trims, so the cut here is just beautiful cut. The guy knows how to paint. He's got a good hand, the painter. And so this room is just one of the rooms in this house that we painted. Another thing that we did in this house we have the electrician, Danny, the electrician. He replaced the switches, most of the house already. And just few of the room we painted. Just because the client, he wants to rent it out. He's not going to live here, so he just wanted to just renovate some few rooms in the house. Make them a little bit nicer for the family that we live here, that we rent this place.